So we just welcome everyone to the good show. And right now, okay, we have to show. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. And next three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, well done. Very good job. Yeah. So right now, guys, how about we have a little chat with Coco? Okay, Coco. So, Coco, we have a lot of new friends here. Can you say hello to them?
Hello.
Hi, hello. Very friendly, yeah? Okay, now, Coco, as you can see here, we have pretty ladies. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Wow, so sweet, Coco. Say hi to all ladies. Alright. Now, Coco, over here we have a lot of kids and children. How about you give them a happy hello? Wow, so happy, huh? Happy hello from Coco. Well done. So, Coco, now I have one question for you. How do you feel today? Do you feel good or not? Yeah, good. Alright, Coco, feel good. I feel good too. But Coco, are you sure you feel good today? If you feel good, can you show them your happy expression from your heart? Wow, Coco just laughing. Alright, now, how about we try one more time, Coco? Can you do one more time, please? Yeah, well done. Come on, back. You ready, Coco? Thank you, Coco. Okay. And this type of hornbill, they are native to Southeast Asia. So sunflower seeds. Okay. So right now, everyone, we have a music for Zizu first, okay? Now, ready, Zizu. Jom menari bersama Zizu, okay? Let's dance together. Boleh tepuk tangan sama-sama tak? Okay, so for this session, Popeye will spell a word. Burung ya, perkataan, mengenai perkataan. Baik, so let's get ready. So we are going to show you 3 pictures and audience. You need to vote. Sila undi, okay? Right, let's start the voting. Okay, let's start the first picture, Marco. How many like Marco? Please raise your hand. Ada tak peminat? Berapa orang? About maybe 20. Okay, 20. Next, stop. How many like stop? Raise your hand. About 15. Okay, so last one. Eagle. How many like eagle? Alright. Wow. Okay. So eagle has more. Let's go with eagle. Okay. Now, Popeye, are you ready to spell eagle, Popeye? Come on, relax. Relax your mind first. Remember the word. So eagle, birds of prey. For your information, in KL Bukau, we also have eagle in zone 2, Brahmini Climb. Okay. So let's get ready, everyone. Over here we have different letters. We hang the alphabet blocks there. So Popeye will choose based on the word eagle. Burung kelau. Okay. Okay. Popeye, focus first. Concentrate. Okay. Are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, come on. Yeah, let's start. Okay, we have the first letter A. Okay, correct. One of the letter. And next one E. Okay, good job. Right, correct. And third one G. Okay, very good. Alright. So far so so good, Popeye. Continue. L, alright. So, almost done. Last one, Popeye, come on. Where is it? Yeah, E. Wow. So, the word is eagle. Well done. Every hand to Popeye. Thank you so much. Very good, very smart. Thank you, Dennis. Alright. Relax. Calm down, okay. So, wow, okay. So, Popeye and Tommy ready? Okay. Cheerleaders ready, yeah? Okay, let's start. Now, on your mark, get set, and go!
Popeye, 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 Popeye.
Okay, done. Where is it? Yeah! Very good. But one beat the ball a little bit faster. This time for me. Faster. Focus, please. Okay, focus. So let us get together. Where is it? Yeah! Well done. A bit tricky, a bit confusing. By the way, good effort, Tommy. Okay, up next, and this is Julie, the female one. So we can know their gender through the color of their eyes. Males have dark brown eyes and females have red eyes. Okay? See, Julie just getting something from the basket there. What is it, Julie? Yeah, a piece of apple. Nice one, delicious. All right. Thank you, Julie. Well done. Go on. We head to Julie. Well done. Good job. Last one. Okay, set on. Excellent. Mr. Raihan with you.